A little bit darker outside, and we lit the candles up in our pumpkins. So we're gonna go see.
Why?
Just because I did.
Twist your camera.
See, here's
This way.
Tigger.
Hers looks better from farther away, like down here. Come down here. Come down one.
There's mine. We'll get a better look as soon as Dad gets out of my way.
Well, you go ahead.
You do ahead.
She needs a brighter candle. What's the problem?
I don't have one.
It looks fine. See, it looks so cool. No, anime-y. Yeah. So that's all for now with the pumpkins. And I will see you next time.